Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by selecting 2 large onions and removing skins. Slice into roughly 3.5 mm rings so the texture matches Burger King style. For the dry mix, whisk 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1 tsp baking powder, and 1/2 tsp salt to ensure a light crisp. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup cold club soda, 1/2 cup milk, and 2 large eggs, then fold into the dry mix until smooth. Chill batter 10 minutes to hydrate and thicken. Set up a dredging station. Place 1/2 cup additional flour in a shallow dish so each onion ring gets a light coat before battering. This helps adhesion. Preheat a deep pot of oil to 350 degrees F and fry rings in small batches to avoid temperature drop. Cook each batch for 2 to 3 minutes until they float and become golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to transfer rings to a wire rack for 2 minutes and immediately season with 1/2 tsp salt so it sticks. Plate onion rings right away and serve hot with ketchup, ranch, or a Burger King style sauce to maximize flavor and texture. They are crispiest when fresh. If you need to reheat, use a 375 degrees F oven for 4 to 6 minutes or a toaster oven to restore crunch rather than a microwave, which makes them soggy. This recipe yields about 4 servings. Store leftovers in an airtight container up to 24 hours and re-crisp before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.